What's up everybody, StevoFS here. How are y'all doing today? I'm doing fantastic. Thank you very much for asking. I feel like I'm getting a little sick, but let's hope not. We're going to go ahead and put the blinkers, the TST blinkers on the MT-10 today. Let's jump right into it. Alright, you want to start, there's two pins back here. You want to pop both of those out. Little pins. Now, you want to pull this and push in here. And that should slide right off, just like that. And there's two screws right here. Pull both of those out. And you want to kind of push forward and up a little bit, pops up. Then you want to work this out towards the front without breaking any of your clips. Comes out fairly easy. Alright, next you want to disconnect the blinkers. You have a kind of a zip tie bracket type thing here. I'm going to get that out. You want to disconnect the wire. This one here. Disconnect it. And then there's another tab. You just take it. It's hard to get to. Just pull it out. And then just stick your screwdriver in there. And it should release and come out. Alright, so that's out. So once that's disconnected, you just pull that out. Next you want to take these two screws out right here. Okay, now that you got this off, what you want to do is get you a screwdriver. Just pry these over a little bit, and this plastic piece will slide up and slide out, and that'll disconnect it. Okay, you just pull that out. If you lean this back a little bit, you can't really see it, but there's a little gap here. Just get your screwdriver wedged in there, and it pops right out. Just feed it through. Then it's off. Now you just got to install the new one. Here's the TST blinkers for the MT-10. I'm going to go ahead and put these guys in now. Went ahead and bought the connection kit and everything you need. And then so we don't have to cut any wires or anything, we have the adapter that plugs right into the bike's unit. And all you do is just match the colors. Alright, now that these are all connected, you want to go ahead and take it, slide it in, feed it, and fit in like that. Your little ratcheting device. Now you want to attach this here. There's a little slit you'll slide the wires through. You can just easily put it in there and slide it down. Just slide it down. Put your O-ring over it, and then just slide that on. Okay, so now it is attached. I just want to put it back onto the bike. Two screws. The wires are away. The other side is the same way. It's a little different because you do have a coolant holding well here that you have to worry about not spilling. Now you just put the screws back in. Okay, that's on now. Just gotta run the wires. Now you just want to plug this side in where you took the other one out. If you save that little clip, you can go ahead and put it back in there. Like on mine, I'll just go ahead and reuse mine. Just run this wire up and hide it. You can zip tie it if you want. Okay, make sure it works. Works. Okay, now I just go ahead and reinstall everything else back on there. Slide all these back in. Fits in there pretty good. Snaps in place. Snap in the bottom. Okay, and then reinstall your screws. And you go ahead and slide the cover back on for the front. Okay, it's back in, and then reinstall these two. Okay, that's back together now. Okay, the TST light is installed on this side, so now we need to go ahead and go on the other side and do that. I'm just going to show you the difference. The difference on this side, you got the reservoir here, so you have to deal with that. You want to pop the cap off and just get it out of the way. And do the exact same thing as the other side, but without spilling your reservoir. And that's it. And then put it back together. This is what I'm talking about here. And she's complete. Let's test her out. Test this side out. And blinkers. Nice. Okay guys, that's the TST blinkers on the Yamaha MT-10. This is a 2019. I really like them. They have them in different colors. I have the amber, but they have other colors. I think I might actually switch these out later on. You guys can pick these up on tstindustries.com. I'll put the price in the description. I forget how much they were. Not hard to put on at all. But guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. It really helps the channel out. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell so you guys will be notified when my fantastic videos are up, because they're fantastic, goddammit. Yes, they are. And for all you people that have been here forever, I appreciate it. You guys are awesome. Thank you very much. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.